Hello everyone. I'm Yana Smakula. Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm sharing a look at my new collection with Spellbinders called Amaryllis Christmas. So this is my last collection for 2024. I had 3 collections this year, including this one. I had the Let's Celebrate in March. Then we had the Yana's Poppies in August. And now I'm excited to debut this one, the Amaryllis Christmas. Amaryllis is a beautiful flower that is popular for Christmas. It usually comes in red or white. There are also some pink amaryllises. And amaryllises look absolutely stunning on a Christmas table or on a Christmas mantle. And to me, they feel as much Christmas as a poinsettia does. So I wanted to do a collection of Christmas products and include an amaryllis because I've not really seen that done before. Of course, I also included some poinsettias in this release, and you'll see that as I show you the products in this collection. So this is a small collection, just a few products, but basically all of these are essentials to help you create beautiful Christmas cards. So first up, we of course have the Amaryllis die. This is the only die set in this collection. And this die is similar in concept or in design to all of my other floral dies with Spellbinders. So we have 2 pieces to each die. Let me just set these aside. So we have 2 pieces. We have an outline and then we have a detail die. This piece will cut a shadow for your main element, and then this piece will cut the little outline and then also the petals, and it will add detail to your image as well. Let me grab the piece that I have created. So this is the Amaryllis die cut that I have made previously, and you can see what it looks like. I cut this from mirror gold paper and white cardstock. The white cardstock was colored using markers. You can see the brush strokes, and I wanted to turn this amaryllis red. And then I used vellum for the back layer to house this flower on. So this is my main amaryllis die. I also added 2 leaf dies and then a little bud. And this is done to help you create your own little arrangements and maybe, have a little bit more flexibility with this die set. So the flower bud can go in like this, and then the leaves can be added here, or they can be added at the bottom. You have options. So this time we have several elements and they are individual, so you can arrange them differently and have different looking flowers for your cards. So let me just put this one here and add the little bud. And this basically gives you a little idea of how you can arrange and assemble this. The next product in this collection is the Amaryllis Embossing Folder. It's a 3D folder. It is the large size folder. So this measures 5.5 by 8.5 inches. And this allows you to create cards that are A2, 5 by 7, or whichever size you like to make. Here I have a few panels that I have already created just to show you how beautiful this folder looks. So this was pressed or embossed on the Spellbinders poppy cardstock. You can see all of the detail on the amaryllis flowers. And this is the reverse side. So beautiful. This was embossed on brushed black. It's one of my favorite papers, although maybe not the best color choice for the flowers because it looks a little bit too dark, but I still wanted to use this paper and test it. This one I think is my favorite. This is the brushed white paper. I love the pearlescent shine that this paper has, and the flowers here look simply stunning. And then this is the Spellbinders watercolor paper. I kind of feel like this one shows the most detail. And it's just white, but because it's watercolor, you can come in with a coloring medium with a watercolor marker and add color to the individual flowers if you want. Next, I, of course, included a set with sentiments, and this is a large set with a lot of different messages for your Christmas card making. These are better press plates, so they need to be used in the better press system, but if you have a Glimmer hot foil system, they can be also foiled. So there are 8 sentiments in this set. and they all come with the coordinating dies. I have foiled most of them. The only one I haven't foiled is the Happy Holidays because it didn't fit on this panel, but here's a look at the sentiments. You can see what the font looks like, how dainty and delicate the handwriting is, and I think it's just these are simply perfect for Christmas cards. I can't wait to cut them out, put a few cards together, and you know, enjoy this Christmas set. So we have Season's Greetings, Let It Snow, Merry Christmas, Sending You Christmas Cheer, Joy to the World, I'll Be Home for Christmas, It's the Most Wonderful Time of the Year, and the one I haven't foiled is Happy Holidays. So this is the Christmas sentiment set. And the last set in this collection is the Better Press plate with the poinsettias and the beautiful holly and berries and pine cones. This is a Better Press plate, so it is meant to be used in the Better Press system. But again, as with all Better Press plates, it can also be foiled. The Better Press plate is available alone, or many of you asked, and I was happy to listen, it is also available in a bundle together with the set of layering stencils. So I think we have 6 stencils in here, and these are all designed to add beautiful coloring to your Better Press or foiled image. So let me grab a few panels that I have created to show you what this piece looks like. So this is what this plate looks like when pressed in black ink on the Better Press cardstock and then colored using the stencil. So I did some ink blending here. The ink that I used is all Better Press ink. So I used the Better Press ink for the background and also for the stenciling. This next panel, I used just the plate alone without the stencils. I again pressed this in black Better Press ink on the Spellbinders Better Press paper, and I used all markers to color. So you can see on the back that I have a lot of marker bleeding, but this looks simply stunning. This is what I love doing the most, but it takes time. It's very time consuming because, of course, coloring takes time. So that's why we have these set with stencils, because if you don't like coloring, but you want to have a similar look, you can use the stencils and just ink blend your image to add color to it. Now, I have also seen people use the stencils alone for my Yana's Poppies collection. I have seen Therese, and I think Joan used a stencil alone. And I wanted to see if I could use these stencils alone without the plate and what kind of background I would be able to create. So this panel shows just the stencils without the plate. You can see we have the beautiful poinsettia, the beautiful leaves. The pine cones are a bit of a blob. The detail is added by the plate, so it's just a little blob, but I still think it looks beautiful and unique, and it makes for a nice background. Here's another panel I did where I simply foiled this background in matte black or opaque black foil on the Spellbinders specialty glimmer paper. So this is a look at my new collection, the Amaryllis Christmas with Spellbinders. I have more videos coming where I show you how to use each of these products in detail, so stay tuned for that. Love you guys, and I'll see you again soon.